For this craft, you will need the kit from the library, crayons or markers, scissors, and glue. Step 1. Color the parrots. Step 2. Cut out each parrot along the solid gray line. Step 3. Fold along the dotted line to create the wing. Step 4. Color the bird's wings. Step 5. Glue the colorful strips of paper end to end to create loops. Step 6. Glue 3 loops to the back of each parrot to create a tail. Step 7. Tape the wooden stick to the back of each parrot.